What's up, my humans? This is Tricia with the Truth, and you are the truth. I'm out here at some gardens in Rockford, Illinois. It's called Anderson Gardens, or the Japanese Garden, and I believe it's a free day. So I'm gonna see if I can get in here and show you guys some nature. Success! I'm in, and they gave me this sticker. So yeah, if you're in Rockford, Illinois, or if you're visiting Rockford, Illinois, every third Thursday is free, or a donation day. So like, you know, if you can't pay the full amount, like, you know, obviously donating is nice. But yeah, it's been a while since I've been here. So it's been some years, so it'll be nice to see what they've added. And well, that says staff only. I'm not going that way because they always seem to be adding stuff. Like the waterfall wasn't here when I was younger. We came like as a school group. There's an arrow there, it's telling me to go that way. So there's a group here, and there's some fish in there.
Share with your friends.
We're feeding the fish.
Oh my goodness! I was trying to try. I didn't know he was there.
And the geese.
Mr. Goose. Entertainment, I suppose.
They're hungry.
Oh, there's another one. There's catfish. There's bluegill in here.
So yeah, I just like coming here and sitting by the water. I'll definitely have to find the waterfall because it's peaceful with the sound it makes. I hear the waterfall, guys. Tiny! Whoop whoop! Yawn! Yeah, I'm still by the waterfall. I remember being here with Jessica. Jessica, I'm gonna tag you on this. Do you remember being here? And like, we did climb the rocks, even though it says to not climb the rocks. Maybe that was before the sign, I don't know. And we were just like meditating with the sound, because that, like, the sound of water is so meditative. Like, whew, I love water. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the garden. So I'm kind of in a tight place here between the trees and bushes and stuff. So I remember, I think, you know, when I was younger, that they explained why they have like the different steps, and you have to duck, and so it's like, you know, using your body, and it's making your mind to be more awake instead of having like a flat just easy surface to trod. So yeah, I think that's a cool philosophy. So you're not just on the same path, because that is life. It's always changing. Sometimes you have obstacles, sometimes you have really difficult obstacles. Sometimes it's smooth, right? Like these rocks that I'm stepping on. But you know, hopefully you're moving your way up and around. You know, you might be on that plateau moving around, then eventually you'll move up. Maybe sometimes you'll go back down, but hopefully always up. So here's another peaceful way to meditate. Make shapes in the gravel or sand. That's what's up. The curious person in me wants to go, you know, look at these staff only closed areas. But gotta be respectful. That reflection though. So yeah guys, what does the reflection mean to you? Yeah, there's all sorts of analogies and ways to think about things in nature that teach us, so definitely reflecting. So what do you do when there's a fork in the road? Well, you can get stuck here or just choose a way and then see how it goes, and you can always turn around and go the other way. Some ducks playing. Hey. Hey. Ooh, another one, y'all. Another one. I love how they're all just hidden. also remember when I was here before that, you know, they use different techniques to help the plants grow a certain way or the trees grow a certain way. Or I remember like a big kind of crutch for a tree branch because it was probably falling, or maybe it was getting in the way of like some cables or wires or something. And so it's nice that they help nature instead of just cutting it down and stuff. So fishies just ate. The duck is out there on the rock. There's a few ducks and some geese out here. You gotta duck sometimes in life. Duck. Oh, here's like one of the crutches I was talking about. It's helping the tree. Nice. It's really cool. Love that philosophy. Oh, and it's my willow tree. Hey. I don't know, I think I love willow trees because we had one in our front yard, and I just love it because it's different from like all the other trees. Just hangs there and it's like relaxing, you know, with its swaying and waving in chillful ways. There's another small crutch. Very cool. They're definitely trying to help this willow tree like stay up and not fall over, huh? Awesome. My beautiful willow tree. Yas, and it just hangs in the water. Loving this breeze. The kids are having fun. I love these little places. Uh-oh, guys, which way? Which way? We'll go this way. Oh, these trees are dope. Look how tall they are now. Hey! Here's a cool analogy. Look at how slowly the water is moving, and then it's gushing forth. It's moving faster a bit, right? So when you're coming down that, you know, obstacle or hardship, hopefully it'll move more quickly than once you're over it, and you'll keep moving forward. Look at this big tree behind me, right? That's what's up. So yeah, I've pretty much made it all around the garden. But of course I have to come back to the waterfall. They're so cute over there. I would love to like sing. It's not like a whole lot of people around. Should I sing a little bit? Let me see if I can sit on some. Rely upon God, trust in Him, praise Him and call Him continually. He verily turneth sorrow into ease and sorrow into sunlight and toil into utter peace. He verily hath dominion over all things. He verily hath dominion over all things. So hopefully you can hear me singing because I know it's loud over here. But yeah, like I love to sing, and I love to sing around nature, and I love to sing around sounds too. Like I'll probably do some comedic singing somewhere, some video sometime. Because you know, sounds and patterns are definitely an interest of mine. So I love you, waterfall. So you guys see the couple back there? They're so cute. He keeps offering to take pictures for me. I had asked him one time over there, and now he keeps asking. He's so sweet. Couple goals right there. Aww. I love that. That's one thing that really makes me happy to see is couples who are still like affectionate to each other in public. Like, I don't know. It's just, you know, it's just makes me feel like, okay, obviously there is still some beautiful love out there. It just makes my heart happy to see that, and of course that's something that I want right now and in the future, so soon. Oh, they're so cute. They just took my picture again. Bye bye, you too. So they were saying that I had to ask them like how long they've been together, and they're just so sweet. And what is it? Oh, they're so cute. Yeah, so they were saying that's a beaver chewing at that tree, so that's why they put up like the metal net. Wow. But yeah, so anyways, they said that they've been together for 60 years. Oh my god, it's so sweet. So he said 55 years married, and then so 5 years was dating. So I'm just talking to myself. That's okay. That's all right. Getting good answers? Yes. He said, am I getting good answers? Yes, always. No, so like I just think that's really cute. Like to see that kind of affection, you know, when you're together that long, just you know, I just love talking to people. So just enjoying my time here. Nature and people. We're part of nature, so we are nature. Okay, I don't know which way to go, guys. It's hard to remember like where you've been too. Just trying to see everything. Yeah, that's a huge one in life. Like, please ask for help. I know I need to do that more myself as well. Like, it is okay to ask people for help. Like, we all need help, whether it's for, you know, physical things, emotional things, mental things, whatever. I need a ride, you know what? I mean, you know, I'm going through some things. Can you help me? Can I breathe with you? Man, that's a huge thing. So ask people for help, you know? Can I live with you for a while? I'm struggling, you know, whatever it may be. Yeah, ask people for help. So I'm asking you which way to go, y'all. See, I'm going this way. Oh, well, it kind of dead ends. So there you have it. Sometimes you'll hit a dead end and you went that way, you chose that way. I chose this path, right, for whatever reason, good or bad, and it led me to a dead end. So yeah, so I'm gonna turn around and keep it going. Okay, just had another one. Just so many analogies. I was like, oh, I went this way, I'm lost. So sometimes in life you're lost. What do? You can ask for help, like we already talked about. You can also pray. That's a huge one. Like, well, that's still asking for help, I guess, you know. But yeah, pray to God for assistance if you're lost. Again, whether it's by material reasons, because you're on this planet, you're lost physically, or you know, whether it's spiritual means. You know, I'm lost in my life. What am I trying to do with my life? Why am I here? So I like to ask people those questions, you know, like, what's your purpose in life? What do you think the meaning of life is? What makes you happy? What is love? You know? So anyways, keeping it elevated always. Yeah. Okay, and we're back where we started with all the fish and the geese. Whoa! Look at that, that's cool. Wow. Oh my goodness, these things smell so good. Breathe in, breathe out. Take time to smell the flowers. Yeah. Here's that tree. I wonder what happened to it though. So yeah, I hope you guys keep growing and keep finding your purpose in life and keep making analogies and figuring things out with the help of nature, friends and family, and you know, just the things around you. Don't take any little thing for granted, for sure.
I know. I don't know why I think it's good. It's just...
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that analogous tour of the Japanese gardens. I think I'm gonna head out and get some food for sure. But I love you, my humans. Bring people together and keep it truthful.